Hi, my name is Jason San Jose with the Flex SDK team at Adobe. I just wanted to quickly show a demo of the Form Factor Styles project that I posted to my blog earlier today. So what you can see here is the same project. It's a single binary that adapts at runtime based on the screen size and based on the form factor essentially. So if you look at form factor util, you can see how I determine the iPad has a screen diagonal 9.7 and that falls into the tablet bucket. And then on the left is an iPod 4, and that falls into the phone bucket. So based on those style names, I set a different skin class in CSS. So on the right, you can see that the skin has two navigators, one on the left, one on the right. And then on the iPod, it only has one navigator. And then my application is built to see which skin parts are there and act accordingly. So on the iPad here, I can click on the details view, and it'll push a details view on the right. I can click on About, and it pushes the About screen on the right. On the iPod, when I click on details, it pushes the view in this one navigator, the only one that I have. And I can hit back and go to the About screen, and I can see the About screen again. You can see how this varies based on the form factor. The next thing I want to show is how to show dialog input on iPad versus the iPod. So when I click on comment here, I get a modal dialog that kind of aligns itself to the middle right above the soft keyboard. On the iPod, when I pull up the comment button here, it pulls up, it slides the view up in the same navigator. It covers up the previous view, and now when I dismiss the pop-up here, you can see how the comment view slides down and uncovers the view that I was on previously. When I hit cancel over here, the dialog goes away, and that's all using the same view. There's just different events wired up at the application level to determine whether or not that view should be shown in the navigator, the primary navigator, or on the iPad, should that view be shown up in a pop-up. So there's a lot of details to go through there. I'll be blogging about that pretty soon. In the meantime, you can check out the project, formfactorstyles.fxp. You can find it on my blog at blogs.adobe.com/jasonsj. Thanks.